So me hear the people them say, So me hear the people them say, So me hear the people them a say that the system it no cater. Everywhere me go, everyone a complain. Everywhere me go, me hear say money now run. The people them a holla say the judgment a come. I know we're living in a melting pot. Look like the system out to take a big flop. Long time we a talk about that and it's a fact. But we always find a way to live for another day. So come make we rock away, to the sweet reggae music I play. Well, a long time we there, and I put in up resistance throughout the trouble, the strife and turbulence. They say that don't fall come in trees. Don't make the system drive you to your knees. So we will endeavor to overcome.